Is your Blink Floodlight camera not turning on, not connecting, or just acting up? In this video, we'll walk you through simple step-by-step fixes to get it working again. First, power problems. Check the battery pull tab. If your camera is new, make sure you removed the little plastic tab from the battery. If it's still there, your camera won't turn on. Next, check the battery cover. If it's loose, the camera might not power up or the LED won't blink. Make sure the cover is tightly closed. Using a wired version? The issue could be wiring. Make sure black, white, and green wires are connected properly. If you're unsure, call a qualified electrician. Some cameras just won't work with the Blink Floodlight. Only Blink Outdoor 3rd Gen cameras are compatible. Also, firmware matters. If your firmware is older than version 10.47, it could cause issues. Check your camera model and update firmware by keeping the camera online for 24 hours. Weak Wi-Fi can stop your camera from working. If you see camera offline, check your Wi-Fi strength. Less than 3 bars equals problems. Move your camera closer to the sync module, within 100 feet, and don't forget your internet speed. If your upload speed is below 2 megabits per second, live view may not work. Run a speed test and pause downloads while using the camera. Sometimes the problem isn't the hardware, it's the app. Update your Blink app to the latest version. Try a reset. Soft reset by pressing the reset button once, or hard reset by holding the button for 5 seconds. Finally, the problem might not be on your side. Sometimes Blink servers go down. Check the Blink service status page or follow at Blink support. All right, that's it. If your camera still isn't working after these steps, contact Blink support.